Welcome to my channel Research Station. Today we will go with a series control panel to Windows 10. So we go to the fifth option, color management. What is color management? So we select it and we see that the windows that is opened, it shows my generic monitor of my PC. I have a Dell notebook, so it shows me the Intel HD graphics, and it let me select the identify monitor. So I have one monitor that is my default monitor. Here are the profiles associated with this device. If I select add, I can see associate color profile, so that are in default. I think we should not change them. We can go to all profiles. It shows the same profile, and at the advanced it shows all of the option about Windows color system defaults, ICC rendering intent, and if I do the calibrate display to calibrate my display, it will show some option to set basic color settings for my display. But if you don't feel comfortable with your color settings, so you can change it here. You can go to select this one, to the gamma to low, good gamma, and gamma to high. So gamma defines the mathematical relationship between the red, green, and blue color values that are sent to the display, and the amount of light that ultimately emitted from it. So with the next, here we select the gamma option. Oh, sorry for my antivirus. So you can select here which is the best option. We can go again for the brightness, to select the brightness, where is the more good brightness, on the contrast. Here is the contrast, and there I think using a contrast control on your display. So I have to select my contrast on my display, but this is not possible here because this is my notebook, so I don't have some buttons here to control it. So we can go finish, and to compare the calibration with the previous one, click previous calibration, current calibration, previous, current. I think it's the same here. I will click cancel here, and change system defaults. I don't have any of them, so I let it. Understanding color management settings. If you click to profile, I can go to load standard association. We don't have anything. If I click save, it's the same. So I think if it is used when you have like an input and a monitor, external monitor, that you can control it, and you can modify all the values that you want. Okay, this is for the color management. So if you like it, just press like, subscribe, and share, please. Bye.